General structure of leaf. Have you ever wondered when you look at a plant, what is the most abundant thing you observe? Yes, it is the leaf. A leaf is the main organ of plant, which is used to carry out the vital process of photosynthesis. We have learned in our previous videos that photosynthesis is the process in which sunlight is used to convert the very basics of environment, i.e., carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate sugars, along with rich, fresh air by the oxygen produced. But how is it leaf become the most appropriate organ for this process? Adaptation of leaves for photosynthesis. Leaves grow to be highly functional for processing sunlight, mineral and gases thanks to these features. Large surface area to capture more light and chlorophyll to absorb it. Veins to support the structure and allowing the flow of xylem and phloem. Thin structure and stomata to allow the diffusion of carbon dioxide. Parts of leaf. Lamina, or the leaf blade, i.e. the widest part of leaf. Petiole, attaching leaf with the main stem. Midrib, divides to give rise to veins. Veins, as bundles of vascular tissues. Margin, the edge of leaf. Internal structure of leaf. The internal structure of leaf consists of epidermis, stomata, cuticle, mesophyll, chloroplast, vascular tissue. Now let's have a deeper insight of these parts. Epidermis. The outermost cell layer of the leaf is known as the epidermis. It is one cell thick in most plants. It is divided into two, upper and lower epidermis. The function of epidermis is to provide protection to internal tissues and allow the exchange of gases via stomata. Stomata. Stomata are the openings which allow for this exchange of gases. There are two guard cells located on either side of stomata to regulate its opening and closing. The guard cells are the only cells in the epidermis layer which contain the chloroplast. Cuticle. Cuticle is a waxy layer which covers the surface of a leaf. The waxy layer reduces the water loss from leaf surface. Some leaves may have trichomes, which are the small hairs on leaf surface. They have toxic compounds or bad-tasting chemicals, which reduces the chance of them being eaten. Also, they reduce rate of transpiration by blocking airflow across the leaf surface. Mesophyll. In some plants, layers of cells known as mesophyll are present. This layer have two different arrangement of cells, palisade parenchyma and spongy mesophyll. Palisade parenchyma cells are column-shaped cells, which are tightly packed. They help in carrying out photosynthesis. In contrast, spongy mesophyll are loosely arranged cells below the palisade parenchyma. The spongy mesophyll have air spaces among them, as they are loosely arranged, which allows gaseous exchange between outer environment and leaf. In both layers of mesophyll, many chloroplasts are present. Chloroplast. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigment that captures energy required for photosynthesis to happen. This ability to capture energy and produce food earned chloroplast the title as the powerhouse of plant. Chloroplast can be found moving around within the cells of mesophyll. There are usually 30 to 40 chloroplasts per mesophyll. Vascular tissue. Vascular tissues make up the plant's circulatory system, much like our own. In humans, blood transports oxygen and water to the body. In plants, xylem and phloem plays this role. Xylem transports water and minerals to leaves and consists of tracheids and vessels. Phloem is responsible for transport of photosynthetic products to other parts of plant.